Hello everyone, I just wanted to make this video because I was going through my iPad and I found a piece of video footage that I filmed remarkably nearly 2 years ago of me receiving and opening up my first package of a 3D print. So, that's quite a significant moment if you're a 3D artist, and basically turns you into a giddy child like the night before Christmas. So, it was of this Sonic the Hedgehog design that I made here, and quite a bit of work went into it. It's not just a static figurine. If I just expose the elements here, you'll see that I created it in the hope of getting it printed at some point and seeing whether or not I could engineer all of these individual components to slot into one another when it gets printed. So bear in mind, in this video I've never received anything 3D printed before. I do not know what the quality will be like, what the limitations of the print will be like, whether or not any of this will come together, and yet it did. So, well, it came close. I won't spoil it. I'll let you watch the video. But no, it's really good to look back at that video. I've since gone on to get my own 3D printer, and I've done quite a bit of printing over the last couple of months. But this was really a kind of landmark, receiving this from Shapeways. So, without further ado, let's run that video. Okay, what do we got? What do we got? Just in time for my birthday, I might add, tomorrow. Right, let's get into this and see what we got. Alright. Okay, so my Shapeways parcel. We should have a figurine in here. Or we have a complete and utter disaster. La-di-da, it's a nice gentleman holding a ring there. He seems very pleased with his Shapeways ring. I think that's a fella with lipstick by the looks of things. Okay. I don't know if I should film this because this could be utterly terrible. I gotta say, it's looking rather good though. Okay. Let's get excited now. Let's see. Oh, I'm loving the texture. Oh, now that. Okay, alright, it's a little bit. Okay, what we've got. It has a very brittle, a bit like described on the internet, which is like a bit of a spearmint. It's very firm though, but I'm not going to, frankly, I'm not going to test it. I feel as if though there's a residue in my hands, which makes me feel like it could wear away. I'm delighted by the accuracy though. So here's the base. Let's just dive into our bag of goodies. I think you can see there what we've got. Okay, some delicate little pieces here. Oh, let's get that out. Oh, gorgeous. Absolutely lovely. Oh, there we are. Loving it. Okay, so I guess we should slowly put this together. So we're looking for a Sonic. Oh, there it is. Got it. Picked up the right one first. Got a little hole. Technically, he slips. Now this is going to be the first. This is the first triumph right here. Does it slip into place? It slips into place. Oh, it's good. It's good. Okay. That's number one. Next up, I'm treating this very. Oh no, hang on. I'll tell you what. I'll tell you something. I am worried. Big worry. I'll tell you what I'm worried about. I've just seen the size of those holes there. Sonic for the arms. They're microscopic. Woo! We'll see. We'll see. Microscopic. Okay, come on. This could be some seriously delicate stuff though. Okay.
Oh, slots in nice. Okay. Let's just hope this doesn't pop. You're going to go in. It technically has. Got a little bit of a problem with that one, I think. It's gone on, but I'd like to have seen it slot in a little better. Now then, very worried about. Tell you what, let's pull him off a second. Let's see what's going on with this foot. Actually, it's completely correct. Let's just see what we got here. Okay, now the ones that are worrying me is that is very, very small. I'm terrified by that. I don't think that's going to work. Let's have a see. I don't think that should work. Oh, that's too small. Not so sure. I mean, it could just be that it's on the wrong hand. Let's have a look. Not very happy about that. Okay, somebody Facebooking me. No, I think we've got a fail. We've got a fail on those arms, I think. Head, fucking perfect. Oops, excuse my language. Perfect and gorgeous. Little wiggle room and it actually goes in, but I'm not particularly pleased. Okay, so we actually got him. Hang on, let's get a load of this. We even got ourselves a ring. What we got? Let's just face this camera the right way around. Let's face here. Hang on. We've got to have a little bit of an adjustment here, but overall it's actually doing it all very, very correctly. Hang on. There we go. Okay. Let's get a little bit more. Fail on the arms though, eh?